This video does not reflect my employer, and these are my personal views. Welcome back everybody to Nate's Escapades, where the difference between an ordeal and an adventure is your attitude. As some of you may know, or some of you may not know, I was a video producer while working on board cruise ships, and during the entire time while working on board, I have ended up compiling a lot of footage from quite literally all around the globe, and I didn't get to use all of it, and quite a bit is my own personal footage. So I want to take this opportunity and share some of that footage here with you. Today we may not be able to travel like we did before, but if we work together and adapt to the new health guidelines, we'll be able to travel again. While I'm taking you on my adventures, I'm going to be recapping from over 3 different continents, nearly 30 different countries, and lots of video clips from all around the globe.
Hey guys, it's Nathan here, representing Nate's Escapades.
While you are out there having your adventures, remember, the difference between an ordeal and an adventure is your attitude. Until next time,